After the dryer's made it through the final assembly, it'll make its way over to the quality department. Now we have two processes that go on in the quality department. The first half is indoors, while the second half is outdoors. This quality process altogether can range anywhere from half a day to a couple days, depending on the model and the different things that may arise. Right here, we're doing the first phase indoors, and what's going on is our quality technician is checking all the different terminations in our cabinet. He'll go through all the cabinets, make sure that everything is snugged up the way it's supposed to be. He'll also check to make sure that the configuration of the dryer matches the actual build. So all the mechanical aspects of the dryer and all the electrical aspects of the dryer will be tested here, making sure that it matches up to what the customer ordered. I'm out here on the quality stand, and this is the second portion of the quality process that takes place for our dryers. We're fortunate enough to have the resources here where we can supply electric, power, and gas to our dryers so we can fully test them. Out here, what we'll do is run all the different kind of components like your takeaway augers, your metering rolls, or if it's a tower, your sweep. We'll be able to test that, check the VFD, make sure all the settings are set properly. And then for our smaller dryers, ones that don't require to be stacked, we can actually light the burner. And that's very beneficial in the fact that we're able to test and check to make sure that the igniter's in the right place along with the flame rod. In addition to those things, we can also check the fuel train, make sure that there's no gas leaks. So we can test that all here before wrapping the thing up. Once everything's been wrapped up and checked off on the quality checklist, you'll get a confirmation we'll send out to our customers to notify them that the dryer has been tested, complete, and that it's ready to ship.